ये वीडियो ओरिजिनली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है। इसे हिंदी में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चूज करें।
Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Over the last 13 years of my homemaking journey and almost 10 years as a YouTube creator, I have bought and tried countless home and kitchen products. Some turned out to be a complete waste of money, some were good but did not last very long, and then there are a few products that truly stood the test of time. Not only have they made my daily work much easier, but they have also been with me for years and are still going strong. These are the products that have now become my absolute favorites, the ones I use regularly and genuinely rely on. So with today's video, I'm starting a brand new series where I will be sharing my favorite home and kitchen products that I have personally used for a long time. I may have shared my first impression of many of these products with you before, but now that I have been using them for several years, I can finally give you my honest, tried and tested review. I believe this series will be really helpful if you're looking for good quality, durable products for your home and kitchen and want recommendations based on real long-term experience. Today we are starting with kitchen products, and over the coming months I will also be sharing many more useful products from different areas of the home. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first product is this sprout maker. I bought this last year and had shared my first impressions with you back then. Now that I have been using it regularly for quite some time, I can confidently say that I absolutely love it. It comes with a glass container and this green mesh lid with tiny drainage holes. Some models also include an additional lid, so once your sprouts are ready, you can store them in the same container and keep them in the refrigerator. Using it is very simple, just soak whole green moong in the glass container overnight. The next morning, replace the regular lid with the mesh lid and drain out all the water. Once the water has drained completely, place the container on your kitchen counter in a slightly tilted position like this. By the next evening, you will have beautifully sprouted moong. Just look at these sprouts. They are long, fresh and perfectly grown. It's a compact portable product that does not take up much space and it genuinely works really well. I highly recommend this product. It's also quite affordable, so I definitely think it's worth buying. The next product is one of my absolute favorites and something we use every single day. The fruit basket with a mesh lid. I have shared my first impressions of this basket before, but after using it for a long time, I can say that it's been a really good purchase. Since it's a light colored basket, I always recommend placing a paper napkin at the bottom before adding your fruits. This helps keep the basket clean and prevent stains. Cleaning it is a little tricky because of the design. You will need to wash it gently. The best feature of this basket is the mesh lid. It keeps fruit flies away while still allowing proper airflow, which I think is one of the biggest challenges in most kitchens. Even after all this time, it's still in excellent condition and has held up really well. I bought it for around rupees 2000, but these days I have seen sellers listing it for around rupees 3500 to 4000, and honestly I don't think it's worth paying that much. If you really like the design, you can definitely go for it. But I've also added a few more affordable alternatives in the description box, so do check those out as well. The next product is these plastic vegetable storage boxes for the refrigerator. I bought this around 3 to 4 years ago and they're still working perfectly. They have become a permanent part of my fridge. Each box comes with a removable mesh tray that collects the excess moisture at the bottom. This keeps the vegetable and fruit sitting on a dry surface, which helps keep them fresh for a much longer time. I usually buy fruits and vegetables once a week, and as soon as I get them, I store them in these boxes. It keeps my fridge organized and also helps the vegetable last longer. As you can see, my fridge is already filled with these boxes, and even after years of regular use, they are still in excellent condition. If you also buy vegetables on a weekly basis, I would definitely recommend these storage boxes. They are practical, durable, and surprisingly affordable. I have added the link in the description box if you would like to check them out. The next product is something I'm absolutely obsessed with, this electric pepper grinder. It's rechargeable and comes with a charging cable. A single charge easily lasts me 2 to 3 months even with regular use. If you use black pepper every day, this is one kitchen tool I would highly recommend. It gives you freshly ground black pepper instantly, and the flavor and aroma are so much better than pre-ground pepper. At my home, this gets used 4 to 5 times a day, while making eggs in the morning or salads, in raita, in chutneys, in vegetable curries, and almost anywhere black pepper is needed. I always prefer adding freshly ground pepper now. In fact, I've completely stopped buying black pepper powder because this does the job so much better. This is definitely one of those small kitchen tools that's absolutely worth adding to every kitchen. The next product are these insulated water bottles, or you can even call them flasks. They're perfect for storing hot or cold water or even other beverages, and they easily maintain the temperature for around 8 to 10 hours. These are great for carrying to school or the office because your water stays at the right temperature for hours. During winters, instead of reheating water again and again, I simply fill one of these bottles with hot water and it stays warm for a long time. They're also perfect for carrying tea or coffee on road trips or while traveling. I have one from Borosil and another from Milton, and both have worked really well for me. The next product is one of my all-time favorites, this glass oil dispenser with the built-in spray. I'm sure you have seen it online. It's very reasonably priced, and honestly it works so well that even many expensive oil dispensers don't come close. What I really love is its thoughtful design. It has a pouring spout with a flip-top lid for regular use, and it also comes with a built-in spray function. So depending on what you're cooking, you can either pour the oil or simply spray it. Like while making eggs, sauteing vegetables, or preparing certain recipes. That's where the spray function is incredibly useful. If you're trying to reduce your oil consumption or simply want better control over the amount of oil you use while cooking, this is definitely a very practical and efficient kitchen tool. I've been using it personally for quite some time now, and I can confidently recommend it. If you enjoy trying new recipes or love baking, then a good set of measuring cups and spoons is a must-have for your kitchen. I bought this stainless steel measuring cups and spoons set around 4 to 5 years ago, and it's still in excellent condition. It's one of my favorite kitchen tools. The stainless steel quality is really good, and they're completely dishwasher safe as well. Alternatively, you also get these magnetic measuring spoons, which I find very convenient. The double-ended design makes it easy to measure both wet and dry ingredients accurately. One complaint I often hear is, I followed the recipe exactly, but it still did not turn out well. And one of the biggest reasons for that can be inaccurate measurements. When you measure your ingredients properly, the chances of your recipe turning out just the way it's supposed to are much higher. That's why I believe a set of measuring cups and spoons is an essential kitchen tool, especially if you cook or bake regularly. They're also very affordable, so I would definitely recommend keeping a set in your kitchen. String choppers have become very common these days, and you will find one in almost every kitchen. But they're also known to break quite easily, which is why people have very mixed opinions about them. I, on the other hand, have been using this Tupperware string chopper for the last 6 years, and you have probably seen it in many of my videos. Even after all these years, it's still working perfectly. There are no cracks, the blades are still sharp, and even the pull string is as smooth as ever. It chops almost everything with ease: garlic, onions, carrots, tomatoes, and many other vegetables. The build quality is excellent, and I think that's the main reason it lasted this long. Tupperware products are known for their quality, so that's not really a surprise. The only drawback is the price. This small chopper costs around rupees 2200, which is definitely on the expensive side. But if I look at its quality, performance and long-term durability, I genuinely feel it's worth the investment. I would rather buy one good quality chopper that lasts for years than replace a cheaper one every few months. That said, if your budget is around 2200, you could also consider buying an electric chopper, which will make chopping even faster and more effortless. And if you're looking for a good quality option at a more reasonable price, you can also check out the Cura chopper. It's another good alternative worth considering. The next product is this detachable pot handle. Personally, I've never been very comfortable using those traditional steel pot lifters. I always feel like the hot vessel might slip while lifting it. That's why I bought this detachable pot handle last year. At that time, I wasn't sure how well it would work or whether I would actually end up using it regularly. But today, it's become one of my favorite kitchen tools. It easily clips onto pots and pans that don't have handles, and the grip is really secure. It fits a wide variety of cookware, and once it is attached, it does not feel loose at all. So you can lift hot utensils with much more confidence. I also use it for safely remove hot dishes and pans from microwave or oven, and it works really well for that too. This detachable pot handle is quite affordable and easily available online, and I genuinely think it's a very practical addition to any kitchen. The next product has been a favorite in our home for a long time, this stainless steel coffee frother. It may look very simple, just a steel jug with a plunger on top. But don't judge it by its looks. It can make delicious cafe-style frothy coffee in just a couple of minutes. First, prepare your instant coffee by mixing coffee, sugar and hot milk. Then pour it into the frother. Just make sure you fill it only halfway and not all the way to the top. Now close the lid, which has a fine mesh filter attached to it, and pump the plunger up and down rapidly. As the filter moves through the coffee, it creates a rich creamy froth. Just look at that. Doesn't it look exactly like cafe style coffee? And believe me, it tastes just as good. You can even use oat milk or any other plant-based milk to make your coffee in this frother. It's also great for making hot chocolate for kids. Simply add chocolate mix, sugar and pour the hot milk into the frother and follow the same process. In just a minute or two, you will have a rich, creamy and delicious hot chocolate ready to serve. This is one of those simple kitchen tools that can really elevate your homemade beverages and is sure to impress your guests as well. The last category is my tri-ply stainless steel cookware collection. I invested in tri-ply cookware several years ago, and honestly it has been one of the best decisions I have made for my kitchen. Even after years of regular use, every single piece is still in excellent condition. They're still shiny, none of them were warped or been damaged, and they perform just as well as they did when they were new. I have a 24 cm and a 28 cm kadai, a shallow frying pan, a deep frying pan, and these two saucepans from Bergener, Mr. Cook, Agaro and Hawkins brands. All of them are made with heavy gauge tri-ply stainless steel and are induction compatible as well. One of the biggest advantages of tri-ply cookware is that compared to regular stainless steel cookware, you can cook with less oil and the heavy base distributes heat much more evenly. This significantly reduces the chances of food sticking or burning. Another thing I love is how easy they are to maintain. They clean beautifully in the dishwasher. Yes, they're definitely more expensive than regular stainless steel cookware, but if you consider their quality, performance and long-term durability, I truly believe they're worth every penny. Beautiful cookware not only makes your kitchen look more elegant, but it also makes cooking so much more enjoyable and motivating. And that's it for today's video. If you have been planning to buy any of these kitchen products, I hope this video helps make your decision a little easier. If you have a favorite kitchen product that you use almost every day, do share it with us in the comments. I'm sure it will be helpful not just for me but for everyone watching this video. You will find the Amazon links for all the products in the description box, and if you prefer shopping on Flipkart, I've also tagged the products directly in the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more videos like this. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.